Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, by a blue sparkling pond, there lived a little mouse named Milo. Milo was a curious and adventurous mouse, always eager to explore the world around him. One sunny day, as he wandered near the pond, he spotted a vibrant green frog named Freddie. Freddie was joyfully hopping from one lily pad to another, enjoying his playful jumps. Milo found Freddie's jumping style fascinating. He cheerfully called out, "Hey, what are you doing?" Freddie paused mid-jump, looked at the tiny mouse, and with a bright smile replied, "I'm just enjoying the sunshine and practicing my jumps. Want to join me?" Milo hesitated for a moment. He wasn't very good at jumping, but Freddie's excitement was contagious. "Sure, I'll give it a try," Milo squeaked with joy, his heart pounding with anticipation. Milo tried to jump from one lily pad to another, but he lost balance halfway and fell into the cool water with a splash. Freddie quickly hopped over to the edge of the pond, worry visible on his face. "Are you okay, Milo?" he asked, extending his slimy green hand. Milo, sputtering and soaked, managed to smile. "Yes, I'm fine, just a little wet. Thank you for checking on me." From that day onwards, Milo and Freddie became the best of friends. They spent their days exploring the meadow and the pond, sharing stories and laughter. Milo admired Freddie's graceful jumps, while Freddie was fascinated by Milo's cleverness and resourcefulness. One afternoon, while playing near the water, they noticed a group of animals gathered under a large tree. Curious, they approached and discovered that a little bird had fallen from its nest and couldn't fly back up. The animals were worried and didn't know how to help. Milo looked at Freddie and said, "We have to do something." Freddie nodded seriously. "But how? I can't climb trees and you can't fly." Milo thought for a moment and then an idea struck him. "What if I climb onto your back and you jump up the branch? Together we can help the bird." Freddie's eyes sparkled with excitement. "That's an excellent idea. Let's do it." Milo climbed on Freddie's back, and Freddie took a deep breath, preparing himself. He then leaped as high as he could, soaring through the air. At the right moment, Milo gently placed the little bird back into the nest. All the animals below cheered with joy. The mother bird chirped happily, expressing her gratitude. "I will never forget the kindness you both have shown today." Milo and Freddie looked at each other and smiled, saying together, "There is strength in friendship." From that day forward, Milo and Freddie learned that no matter how different they were, they could overcome any challenge if they worked together. Moral of the story: true friendship means caring for each other and standing by each other during difficult times. When we face challenges together with our friends, we can become stronger and more successful. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the story and learned a valuable lesson about friendship and teamwork. Your support means the world to us, and it inspires us to create more meaningful and fun stories. If you like this story, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Little Story Explorers for more heartwarming, fun, and exciting adventures. Until next time, see you in the next adventure.